Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I used Nano Banana to make some edits to an image that I downloaded. Alright, so basically I was trying to create a design. So let me show you the design. It is here. Alright, so see the design. Look at the design. Why is this taking time? My laptop is behaving, so sorry about that. Alright, so this is the design, right? So I use this image, this calendar, like 3D calendar image, and if you look at the caption, it said one day or day one, you decide. Then look at the subtext: let November 1st be the day you said yes to your future, right? So I thought of putting in a calendar that said November 1st, because November 1st was used in the subtext and it's a very important day. And if you look at this call to action, you see that, sorry, if you look at the footer, you see that the date for the event is on the 1st of November. So November 1st is an important date. I can't just carry a calendar that has any random date, right? So I went to Free Pick to look for a calendar, and this is what I found. I don't know why it's taking time to load. This is what I found. I found July 17th, right? July 17th. I could not see November 1st, so I was like, how do I do this? So I remember that there's Nano Banana, haha, and I uploaded this image into Nano Banana, right? So let's go to Nano Banana. So I drag and drop and it has been uploaded, and I said change. Right, I said change the date from July 17th to November 1st. I said change the date from July 17th to November 1st, and you now just have to wait and you'll see the magic. Yeah, like, this is mind-blowing stuff. We live in an amazing time. Like, we live in this. I'm making this video because I found it very exciting. I know it's pretty simple and straightforward, but I just had to share this because I know there have been times when you found an asset and you just wish that the assets fit perfectly to what you wanted to use it for, but it did not. You now have to start doing photo manipulation and all that. But now with the invent of AI, you can see what we have. With just one line of prompts, I have changed that image. Everything was maintained: the shadow, the calendar, the color of the calendar, everything perfect. It changed only what I wanted it to change, which is the date. Alright, so that's basically how I use Nano Banana to change the date from what it was to what I wanted. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. Alright, if you like if you found this video helpful, just tell me in the comment section. If you want me to post more tips and tricks with AI, also let me know. Alright, and of course subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more amazing content like this. Alright, till we meet again, peace.